Well done. You also chose this challenge. 90 days of personal development and maximum discipline. You train your body. You read books, you study, you eat healthy. But something is missing here, isn't it? A project which you will be able to create a way of income. I'm sure you want this too, in addition to a beautiful body and a healthy mentality. To have your project generate even daily at least $100. I'm not telling you these things for nothing, because in the next 6 minutes, this person in black with a mask on his head means I will give you a way to make money and create your project which will generate money for you daily. And no, I won't tell you about dropshipping, YouTube automation, TikTok creativity program, or TikTok shop. None of this. If I'm honest, I don't even know what to call this method, because I learned this method of making money from Russia. But here in the USA, yes, some people deal with this, but none of them. I don't want to talk about this in public.
Look, I know you're not following what I'm saying anyway, right? That's okay, that doesn't matter. The real question is this: was all this legal? Absolutely fucking not.
To begin with, let me tell you why you need it and why you don't need it. Let's start with why you need it. 1. A phone connected to the internet or a laptop, doesn't matter. 2-3 hours a day where your focus can be full on this project and all the materials are ready. You only need time and a device connected to the internet. Now, why don't you need it? You don't need money to get started. You don't have to be 18 years old. You don't need to be in a specific country. In short, if you have those 2-3 hours to dedicate to this and a phone, you're perfect for it. I hope you've met. But let's do it this way. In this short video, I'm just introducing you to what this method consists of. And if you like it and want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial, then leave as many likes as you can to this video and write in the comments like this: "We want a tutorial." And I will post that tutorial video on October 27th. My name is Tropy, and let me introduce you to this method. I'm sure you have seen such videos. Or videos like this, or this type. What do you think is the purpose of each video like this? The goal is for the viewer to know that there is a link in their bio that will teach them how to make money. All this in Russian is called traffic arbitrage. Now let me explain how this all works. On Telegram, there are a bunch of different channels on different topics, and they all need to be public to monetize those channels. Some sell advertising, some sell some courses or private chats, but others combine all of these at once. But it is clear that to sell something, you need to have a flow of new people to whom you can sell those products. Precisely for this reason, owners of such channels turn to external traffic. External traffic is the flow of users attracted from other platforms. These can be Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Owners need to attract traffic from these platforms to their Telegram channel. For this reason, they're looking for people who will do this for them. So what are the main steps? The first step is to look for the client. That is the person who wants you to bring traffic. But before that, you have to decide one thing: what kind of client you want, American or Russian. From the beginning, I tell you that you will lose some time in finding an American client, because in America, few choose this method of business with a Telegram. Instead, in Russia, this is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Plus, if you choose to continue with Russian clients, I can help you find clients in a very simple way and also create videos just as easily, because you will just copy and post them. Yes, everything will be in Russian, but that is not a problem because there is Google Translate. And I want to add here to the customer selection. I advise you that when you select the client, you should inform yourself what the topic of his Telegram channel is. If it is the topic of business and everything related to money, then it is perfect. Because this traffic is the most expensive. To meet you, he will pay you for every person who subscribed to his Telegram channel. And if the Telegram channel is about money, a person brought to their channel can cost up to $1. But if you choose a client with a Telegram channel, for example with a movie theme, a person who will subscribe will cost a maximum of 30 cents. So you are advised to choose the right client to make as much money as possible. After you have selected your client and you've agreed with them, the second step is to create videos for this guy and post them on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and the most important, TikTok. That's all. The person you dated will give you the link from his Telegram channel. You'll put that link in your bio, and you'll be paid for every person who accesses that link. As I said at the beginning, in this video, I will only tell you what this method consists of and how it works. But if you're interested, but I'm sure you are, because I repeat, in the USA few people deal with this. This is something new. This means that the competition is not great. If you are interested, I have already told you what to do, and I will post another longer video where you will learn how to find a good and fast client, how to make videos like this, and how to make more people access the link in bio. Plus, everything will be step by step, and I will tell you many more important things about this business method. The purpose of this video was just to introduce you to this method of making money online and what it consists of. And I hope that the goal is reached. Remember, it's up to you whether I post that step-by-step tutorial or not. So do what you have to do. I Shadow Tropy with you, and we'll see you next Sunday. Wait a minute. I forgot to tell you, everything is legal. I was just kidding, sorry.